Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a font in Canva. So adding your font can help your design look more personal, clean, and match the style that you want. So before starting, just keep in mind that uploading custom fonts is available for Canva Pro users. So to begin, open Canva and go to the home page. And from there, click on Brand, then open your Brand Kit. Scroll down until you find the font section. So once you see it, click Add New. Then choose the font file that you want to upload from your device. After the upload is finished, the font will be available for you to use in your designs. Another way to do this here is by opening one of your Canva projects first. So click on any text inside your design, then go to the font menu at the top, and from there look for the option to upload a font. Click it, choose the font file from your device and upload it. And once it is uploaded, you can select it and use it for your text. And that is how you add a font in Canva. So this is helpful if you want your designs to look more unique and consistent with your brand or personal style. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.